Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So today I want to share with you guys the gun cleaning kit I've had for well over 10 years. Let's have a closer look. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase your own Otis Cleaning Kit, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Alright, so this gun cleaning kit is by Otis, and I think they're calling it still the Tactical Shotgun Rifle Pistol Kit. And it's got everything you need to keep your firearms in working order, nice and clean. Let's get you a size reference here. So here's a ruler. Alright, going across this way, we got, let's just say 4 inches diameter. Height-wise, maybe about 2 inches high. And if you're looking for a size reference here, so here is a K-cup. All right, get a size reference there. Let's get it on a scale. All right, fully loaded Otis gun cleaning kit coming in at 9.2 ounces. And just to give you a weight reference, a deck of cards is about 3.4 ounces. So you figure about 3 decks of cards is what this weighs. Oh, I got a lot of great reasons why I love this gun cleaning kit system. Number one, it's portable. It's small, really good stitching on the zippers. I mean, this thing is 10 years old. The zipper just glides up and down. Very compact. You can put it in your range bag and take it out with you if you just want to clean whatever your pistol, rifle, shotgun is at the range. For me, I just keep this in my drawer there. It keeps all the brushes and the jigs and all the cables in one neat little area. It's also got a loop back here if you want to put it onto a MOLLE system. Very portable. Keeps you nice and organized. Let's have a look inside. Remember, this is an all-in-one cleaning kit. You're going to be able to go from shotgun to rifle to pistol, 22 LR all the way up to 12 gauge shotgun. Okay, let's break it open here. 2 elastic bands holding in the 12 gauge shotgun brush. You can use whatever cleaner you want. All right, I'll show you what's in this bag a little bit later on. Chamber flag, T-handle, shotgun brush adapter, and then just a thread to connect the cables. Well, I guess that's what's in there. Then on this side, you have your slotted tips. So shotgun, maybe pistol, 22 LR, whatever you need. You're going to put the swabs through here. Then you have your obstruction removers here. You thread it onto the cables and poke it through. Also, you're going to use this brass handle to thread through here, and that's going to enable you to grab and pull it through. The newer ones have a plastic handle, but I prefer these as well, but the plastic ones are okay too. Then you have your swab savers or your shotgun buttons. The way you're going to use that is you'll put your swab through here, and then you'll stack this on top of here, and then you'll pull it through the shotgun barrel. That's how you're going to save that swab from getting stuck in there. And then you have your adapter here. So this, I think, is going to go from 832 to 836. In case you have a NATO adapter brush, that's kind of weird. So that's what's on this half. Then on the other side, you're going to have your brushes, and there's spaces for 5 brushes. You can keep whatever you clean in there, but it's going to come with like a 22, a 27, a 30, something for 40 caliber. So a different range of brushes. Now, I've replaced these a number of different times, and I'm going to tell you guys right now that the Otis brushes by far are the best brushes I've ever used. So if you can find them, get them, put them in there. That's what's on this side. Then here's where I store some patches, just some extra ones. And then there are 3 cables in here. Okay, there's 3. There's a pistol one, which is a shorter, thicker cable, like that. Then you have 2 more. So this is a thinner one for like 22, and then you have a larger one, thicker one. You can see the thickness difference here. Yeah, but all of that is in this little pouch. Once again, guys, this is the Otis Tactical Shotgun Rifle Pistol Cleaning Kit. It's got everything you need to lubricate and make sure that your firearms remain clean. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this cleaning kit, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.